Okay, so for a moment, let's pretend that we have two vectors. This is one vector and this is going to be the other vector. They're going to be acting accordingly, pushing on this box. So we can say that these vectors are like vectors of force or velocity, but we can go with force. So let's say that this vector is pointing up. Okay, so we can establish the coordinates first. Let's say that if it goes this way, it's going in the y direction. If it goes to the sides, it's going in the x direction. And if it goes up, it's going in the z direction. So we're going to have the two pencils acting on this box, which are going to be representatives of vectors. So we have this pencil, which is acting, it's moving the box in the negative x direction, it's pointing it up, and it's also moving it forward. So it's in the positive y direction. And if we have a vector that is parallel to this vector, in the other side, as we can see here, we can see that the signs are going to change. So if it's pointing up, this one's going to be pointing down in the z direction. If it's pointing negative in the x direction, it's going to be pointing positive in the x direction. And likewise for the y component. So we can see here this relationship between the vectors.